Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the status of your lost or stolen VIVO X200 FE on the IMEI.info page. Alright, so first in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on this site, and also in that video I'm showing how to find the IMEI number of your device, so if you want you can look for it. So once you have typed it, simply click on check IMEI. We have our X200 FE. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom. On our way we can also see some basic information about the device, but let's scroll down a little bit and let's click on the basic checks. And on the bottom we have lost device check. Simply click on that. In here we have our IMEI number that has been automatically copied, but we can also type the second IMEI number if we have, or the serial number. Okay, and now click on check lost or stolen status. And as you can see, this device is reported in IMEI.info lost/stolen database. Below we also have a preview of the incident date, the country, the city where it happened, the description of the loss, the price, contact name, email number, phone number, is it verified. Below we can see the date, when it was created, and below we can also perform the blacklist simple check or order the premium version of it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.